Hello. Today we will start question number 16 of chapter Motion in Straight Line of ISC board class 11th. A boy standing on the top of a 40-meter building projects a stone vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 40 meter per second. So this is building 40-meter top. A boy projects a stone with a velocity of 10 meter per second and the stone eventually falls to the ground. So we have to calculate in first part after how long stone will strike on the ground. Second, after how long will the stone pass through the point from where it was projected, with what velocity it will strike the ground. So we will start the question A part. Given u is equals to 10 meter per second. It will stop after a certain interval of time after covering some distance. So v is equals to 0. Given g is equals to 10 meter per second square. It is moving upward. So we will use v is equals to u minus at because it is moving upward by putting values v is equals to 0, u is equals to 10 minus a is equals to 10 t. By eliminating we have calculated t 1 second. So according to this, with velocity of 40 meter second, the balls covers a travels up to 1 second. So now we have to calculate how much distance it will cover in 1 second. So distance, now we have to calculate distance in ball cover in 1 second. So we use formula v square is equals to 2u square plus 2as. We have given v is equals to 10 meter per second. So 10 square is equals to 0 square plus 2 into acceleration is equals to 10 into s. 100 square is equals to 20s. S is equals to 5 meter. So ball will cover distance of 5 meter in 1 second. We have to calculate now the time period in which the ball eventually comes to the ground. So formula is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Now understand this. It is 40 meter the height of the building and it covers 5 meter distance. So total distance is equals to 45 meter. S is equals to 45. Initially it is 0. So 1 by 2 into 10 into t square. 45 into 2 upon 10 is equals to t square. 5 to the 10, 5 9 is 45, 2 2, t square is equals to 9, t is equals to 3 seconds. We will not take negative because time cannot be negative. So total distance, so total time will be 1 second this to cover this distance and 3 second this. So total time will be 4 seconds. In the question is given after how long will the stone pass through the point which the from where it was projected. It means after how much time the stone come to this distance. So we know the ball takes 1 second to reach here and it will take 1 second to reach here. So time to take from where ball was fallen, it is 2 seconds. Velocity by which the ball strike the ground, so its formula is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Velocity we have to calculate u square 0 plus 2 into 10. Distance is equals to, which is v square is equals to 900, v is equals to 30 meter per second. we do not take negative because speed cannot be negative. So hopefully you understand this, and now you can check this answer also. 4 second, the time is 4 second, and after where the ball reach is 2 second and is 30 meter per second. Done.